friends, it's Chef Rama.
Chef Anita.
And we're here to show you the 2-minute appetizer that's going to wow your guests when you have people coming over last minute, right?
Yeah, appetizer is just something to have with your wine.
Yeah, so let's talk about this. This is a butter board. I'm sure you've heard about it. We are doing our own twist to it. It's a plant powered. So again, we're not doing any meat on this one. And we also are using a little bit of our Indian flair as well, right? So let's start.
We have our butter that's kind of soft and nice.
You can't skimp on the quality of butter for this, okay?
Oh yeah.
Right, like you've got to get some good quality butter. There's a couple of our favorites. You could do Kerrygold butter, which we absolutely love. This is actually a butter from the Indian store called Amul butter, which is, it's like a taste of, not my childhood, my mom's childhood, but it is so delicious and it's so creamy. And you can really do unsalted or salted. Chef's choice. What would you say would be
I love salted butter.
Yeah.
Guys, I do.
Yeah.
So I would definitely do salted butter, but it's really your choice. I was just thinking, could you use a plant-based butter? Yes, you could.
Oh my gosh. So again, just go to town on how you want to kind of spread this around. There's no right or wrong way. That's the whole point. You can get your kids involved. I'm sure my kids would like be running to do this. But just make sure that it's like a nice thicker layer and not so thin, because again, this is like the wow factor. This is the appetizer part. This is the part where people are going to go home and say,
I'm first going to spread it down and then do some pretty peaks, but I just want to get it all the way around. There we go.
So once you have your butter nice and spread, you're going to go ahead and grab a lemon. That's used, again, there's no right or wrong. You just want to get some colors in here and some flavors. You want to make sure you get the zest of the lemon. And when you zest your lemon, you need to stop at the white part of the lemon because that part is...
Otherwise it definitely turns bitter.
Yep. Okay, this looks good. This looks really good. And now I have my orange. I'm going to do the same thing.
Same thing with the orange. If you go to the white part, it will turn bitter.
Yep. And also make sure that you wash your produce. I have had clients ask me that, you know, for like citrus for zesting. Yes, it's a true question.
Very important.
Yeah. So now that you have your specks of citrus in there, that looks good. You want to put the red chili flakes? Red chili flakes. Okay, perfect. Cilantro.
The colors are coming out nice.
Yeah, this is so pretty. Like, I personally am excited to try this today. And then you want to add, I'm going to give you the salt. I'm going to add some honey. So just kind of some drips of honey around here. You can zigzag it. And again, it's really all about the ingredients. So good quality honey. There's only good ones out there. Try to stay local if you can, because the local honey is better for you. So that looks great.
Oh my God, it's already looking so yummy.
Right, Mom? I love that.
There we go. A little bit of salt because my butter is salted. My favorite red chilies, just using them as a garnish to make this board look pretty, but you don't really have to eat these. So
No.
Just a pretty garnish.
Yep. So that's it. This is our butter board. It is beautiful. Let's taste it. Yeah? Okay. Got some crackers. You can get some crackers, some bread. That's all up to you. And you can actually prep this a little bit ahead, and it can sit hours before your guests come, right?
Unless you're keeping it outside on a hot summer day.
Right, but on a day like today, you definitely can do this. So I like this because it's prep ahead. Let's taste it. Okay.
A little bit of the honey, the spicy part.
Yes, that looks so good. Okay. I am going to put this, I would say, maybe not the most figure-friendly appetizer, but definitely...
it's one of my favorites.
Yeah, just have this in moderation.
I love this.
First thing, I love the honey. I love the combination of honey and the citrus.
And the spice.
This is so easy, so delicious. Our spicy honey citrus board. It is so delicious, and I hope you guys make it.